Can you fucking hear that? Can you? It's doing my fucking head in. It's going to end up with a pillow over his bloody head in a minute. Sounds like an elephant that's got something stuck in his trunk. I think his balls have gone over his arsehole and he can't fucking breathe. I'm gonna fucking murder him, drag him out by his leg, boom, 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 down the stairs, and put him in the garden. Fucking doing my head in.